You can do it
Was
with
I?
buzzers. Chris, you have buzzers? Emily wants to take a stab at cutting my hair.
Look at this. He looks like a clown.
Thank you. Go get the buzzers.
I'm doing
Go get
it.
the
Can I do
buzzers.
it later?
Dad.
Why is Josh going to get
Wait. Don't cut his hair unless he plays volleyball.
I'm not playing volleyball. I'll be snoring.
I have a free week of gymnastics summer camp, and it expires August
You know what?
31st.
Her and her gymnastics
Oh, I
camps,
never get-
we're all going to kill her. They're going to find her dead under the bed. When
I have a free week, Dad. I have a coupon.
Or what camp, Sid? Is it in California?
DC.
Please
God, it's in the Bahamas, but we can go there,
Please stop
right?
yelling. I'm begging you to stop yelling.
Emily, don't cut his hair unless he plays volleyball.
Hey, cut my hair, please.
You go inside and take a nap and stop yelling at everybody.
I'm not yelling at anybody. No one understands me.
Let me buzz it for you?
No, you're not touching it.
Why? I cut everybody's hair.
Look at you. You're the poster boy for disheveledness.
Dad, can I do it? Look at this little puppy. Can I do it, Dad? Uncle Joey, can I do your
You
hair?
want to try to do? No, you can do my hair. Go get the